So round 2 of Tripods 2.0. This is the unboxing. I got the recommendations on Think Media for a few setups that they liked. Let's see if I don't break this tripod. So this is the Blue Horn. Of course, it's made in China because I couldn't find anything else. And it's 3-in-1, and instructions look pretty simple. And I like that it has a remote. And here's my lighting system. I'm getting better at this, folks. Thanks for bearing with me. Now I'm gonna, so right there underneath the remote, there, or not underneath the instructions, was this setup. This looks like a little better setup. I'm gonna just see if this hook, it goes into the tripod for the cell phone hooker I want to use, which I got off Walmart, surprisingly. I got at Walmart. It's this, and I can almost, wow, this is gonna be hard with one hand, but we'll see. I've done a lot of things I didn't expect to be able to do. Plastic pipettes. I can also try this one and see, which I kind of like how this one works too, because it also looks like it's one-handed. They didn't like the recommendations because it's a screw on, just like you tighten it, and then right here is the thing. So this one might be a little easier to put on independently. But where am I gonna put? Oh well. Oh, I got it on. Sweet. this. Tighten this. Hold up. It says an awesome amount of extension. And I don't want to force it and break another tripod. This tripod is a lot more sturdy. I'm already kind of liking it. Thank you, Think Media. There's 7. I don't care about the Bluetooth remote yet. Oh, I think I see in this these white things right here. Now I'm going to stop this, put it on this tripod, and I'll see you in a sec.